All right, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the kebab wrap. So we're going to be needing some sliced onions, some lima beans that have been boiled overnight, an egg, egg whites, and our usual ground beef with some seasoning. And we're going to start right now. Make sure when you're mixing them that you mix them very thoroughly. And the lima beans are mixed to the point where they're crushed within the ground beef. You want to make sure that they're not visible anymore. So they're so mushy that they're right into the ground beef. This way they can hold together and not separate. Now you want to make sure that the pan is preheated to medium. And again, use the spray oil. So this way there isn't that much calories that you're using. And start putting the meat in. Now you can cover the pan and let it cook for a little bit for about 5 minutes. Just checking up on it every once in a while. All right, so now we're gonna build our wrap. So as per usual, I like my mustard, I like my hot sauce, I have olives, I have diced hot peppers, and spinach as well. So this is my preference. It all has low calories and a lot of protein, especially with the spinach. So this will fill you up and taste good at the same time. And now the tricky part to put everything together and not break the wrap, and then heat it up and make it nice and crunchy. And now it's ready to go. We're gonna take it out and cut it in half. And bon appetit.